Right, morning guys. It's the beginning of another beautiful day, and just about to get started. So I'm down in the depths, and just dropped my bike off. That's how I would get into work in the morning. And I said, just dropped everything off, picked up my my PPE, my hard hat, my Viz vest, and my gloves. I'm just about to start another hard day at the office. But to be honest, I'm starting today with a new tool, and you want to check this out. It's a brand new Leatherman Skeletool, and it's the latest version. It's the CX, the one with a carbon fibre blade down it. And I'll tell you why I'm excited about this. Well, it's not really my EDC. I'll be honest with you. Problem is, lockable blade. So I cannot legally carry it while I'm out and about. However, I can use it at work, and I've been using my old one, for quite some time. And it may have taken a bit of abuse. It may have taken a bashing here and there, and it got damaged. Now, the warranty with all Leatherman stuff is 25 years. And no excuses, no nothing. Sent it off to Leatherman, Whitby & Co. And they send me a brand new one back. Brilliant. I mean, you can't say fairer than that. So I'm going to get to work, and I'll show you along the way just the bits and pieces. It's a working man's tool, so let's get working.
Yeah, good man. Won't this now?
I'll show you. Hey, bud. Right, give us a second.
It looks like it's the black tape. I think somebody's cutting black tape in there too. And these rooms are all. I clean them and the girls have cleaned them. You know what I mean? So I don't understand. He's more or less saying there's people going in here. I leave them down the fucking safe. They go off a lot.
So, we made it. It's the end of another hard day. And yeah, as you can see, there was a bit of everything. There was a bit of snagging, there was a bit of fire stopping, a bit of cabling. I had to turn a few circuits off, a bit of cable tying. Yeah, and the tool came out a few times. So what we all want to know is how sharp is it still? So let's see, shall we? Only one way to find out. Yeah. I'd say she's still sharp. So, after a little bit of abuse during the day, she'll get the same again tomorrow, and the same again the following day. I have to say, I don't miss the old Skeletool. She does look nice. She may even be a little bit lighter, to be honest. There's that flank, like the scale going down it, the carbon fibre. It just looks lovely. It just looks like, wow, dare I say sexy. But you know, she does the job. Like I said, working man's tool. Yeah. She's a beauty. So, once again, thanks ever so much to Leatherman, and the fact that they stand by their warranty. It's these things are not indestructible, and they can take a certain amount of abuse. But it's nice to know that if something does go wrong, that they stand by their product. For 25 years, the multi-tools are warranted for 25 years. That's a lot of abuse. That's a lot of days' work. And 3 days it took. Only 3 days. You know, Whitby & Co. They didn't argue. They didn't want to see any photos, no details, no nothing. And well, I'm quite happy with what I got. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Bless you guys. And wow, the question is it EDC? God bless.